What is a set?
Sir, well-defined.
Hmm.
It's a well-defined collection of objects.
Very good. Set is a well-defined collection of objects. Next. So sets are represented by capital letters, elements are represented by small letters. Vowels in English alphabets are A, E, I, O, U. If you separate these by commas and enclosed with these brackets, it is called a set. So the sets are represented by capital letters. So set of vowels is suppose denoted by B, that equal to set of using the bracket A, E, I, O, U. In this, each one A, E, I, O, U are called elements of the set, right? So there is a note. Suppose while writing the sets, suppose set here, take it. A, B, B, C, D, C, C, E. So if the elements are repeated, distinct elements only, well-defined set is well-defined collection of objects, right? Distinct elements only we'll consider. So if the elements are repeated, we'll represent it only one time. So this is A, B, C, D, E. So this is the way we are going to write the set form. So sets are represented by two types. Two methods can be used to represent this. One is roster form. It is also called tabular form. So roster form or tabular form. If you write all the elements of set separated by commas and enclosed with the brackets, then it is called roster form or tabular form. Suppose write the days in a week. So the set is week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So all the elements are separated by commas, right? And enclosed with these brackets. So this is said to be a roster form or tabular form. So we have another form. The another one is set builder form. So what is the set builder form? Here we will use one rule, which is analyze the given elements or set. Suppose here week, days in a week. So here W is, will represent one common letter to represent the rule X. We'll write either this column or this line. X such that X is the day of week. So X such that X is the day of week in the sense here X represents as X is a day of a week, right? So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It represented by X. We are using one rule, that is X is such that X is day of a week. So this is the main representation of sets, two forms, roster form and set builder form. We can take more number of examples. So we can take this example. Suppose take ovals. So this is the example for the first one. What is it? Roster form. So B is AEIOU. And the next one is, so set builder form is V equal to, what is V here? Is set of, so we'll write the set builder form X such that X is oval in English alphabet. X is such that X is an oval in English alphabetical order. Next, can you write it? Can you write it? Justification.
Yes, sir.
Right. The symbol is read it as belongs to. So another one is does not belong. So suppose any element which is given in the set. Suppose take this example. The elements of this set are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it is given 5, 5 is in this set, right? So we will write 5 belongs to A. 8, 8 does not exist here. So we will write 8 does not belongs to A. 0 is also does not belongs to A. And then 4 belongs to A. Do you understand it, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So what
Yes,
we have
sir.
to write here next? 2 dash A is given. Whether we have to write belongs to or does not belong to?
Sir, belongs to.
Belongs to.
Belongs to. Next,
Not belong.
10 does
Not
not
Not belong.
does not belong to A. That's it. Over.